Hello everyone and welcome back to another POV review.
And in this review, you will see. However, that is yet to come. For now, let's get on to the review part.
First off, we'll start with the exterior design. This car being the competition comes with the competition wheels. These wheels in particular are finished in silver. With it also being the competition pack, you get a carbon fibre roof, festival door mirrors, bigger brakes. That's just as far as the design goes. However, there's some internal features as well. We'll get onto that later. This particular car has the laser lights. Now you could also get the standard LED lights, but the laser lights are a must. And this car also comes with a shadow line pack, which includes everything else that would usually be in chrome, be black. Then we get onto the back. Again, this particular car is fitted with some carbon fibre aftermarket parts, like these M tips. You also get a deeper bumper compared to the normal 3 Series. And then we move on to the interior. This car in particular comes with an upgraded Alcantara steering wheel. A few M touches that differ from the normal 3 Series are the carbon fibre bits all around the interior, the M in the dials, and the M3 on the door sills. And of course, the M shifter. Now we'll get onto some of the M features. It has 2 M modes, which you can configure to your own personal liking. You also have your drive mode, traction control off, camera button, parking sensors, and your suspension settings right here in the center console. You also get a manual handbrake, a very rare sight on cars these days. And of course the M steering wheel and the extended paddle shifters. I will release an entire video on the screen soon. This video will not include it because it will be too long. If you want to watch it, click on the top right banner that will pop up on your screen. This car also comes with shortcut buttons, a CD player, and the aircon, all separate from the main screen. You also get heated seats as standard, and you could also upgrade from the comfort seats to these lovely carbon buckets with holes in them. This car also comes with memory seats and Harman Kardon, which come in the comfort pack. In the back you also get heated seats and Harman Kardon, however no M door sills. Then we get onto the technicals. This car comes with the S55, which comes with 431 horsepower, however this being the competition has 440. This car also comes with a limited slip differential. Now let's talk specifications. You have 3 specs to choose from. Either the M3, the competition, or of course the CS. However, out of all of those, I would have the competition. It's priced accordingly. It comes with rear wheel drive or all wheel drive, and in my opinion it has the correct amount of power. And now let's hear a sound check. And that should conclude the review for today. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one.